Bonjour! Bonjour!
No.
Time for bladder check. Check.
So it's a show?
It's a lifestyle.
It's a religion.
My emotions! My emotions!
I'm still French.
Ouais, c'est pas faux.
I'm a woman, Mary. I can be as contrary as I choose.
Non, moi je crois qu'il faut que vous arrêtiez d'essayer de dire des trucs.
Hello, hi, I'm Laura. I'm gonna watch Squid Game Season 1, Episode 5. I just watched the Episode 4. If you want to see my reaction video about that, I'm gonna put the link into the eye. Stay with me because I had a new theory between episodes. I think that I'm never gonna stop to make theories with this show, which is gonna be really rough for me each time, but which can be really fun. Don't think that all of my theories are right, because I don't think so myself. Okay, resume of all of my theories. I'm not gonna explain them a lot because I talked about it during all of the intros and reviews of the last episodes. Grandpa is one of my main suspects to be in fact involved into the mastermind team, or maybe he's just the only mastermind, but he did so many things, he said so many things, and we know so little about it that he's one of my main suspects. Or maybe the writers want me to suspect him just to kill him at the end and to be like, see, be ashamed of you, you suspected him. You made me suspect him. Okay, that theory about him. Maybe he was the one telling that memory at the beginning of the season, and no matter what, I think that this game that we saw at the beginning is gonna be the final game because of all of the square, circle, all of these things, you know, which means that 4 of them can win the game, not 5. Our guys right now, their team, there are 5, so it means that one of them is gonna die. But see, I have this theory also about only 4 of them being alive for the final game. I have this theory about all of them maybe being connected, maybe not, you know, on purpose, I mean for the big game, which is this show, maybe not on purpose, like they didn't choose them on purpose to be into the game, but maybe they are still connected with the bossy boss guy. The girl stole money from him. Dixo. Duxo. She stole money from him. She gave that money to someone for helping her parents to cross the border. But that person lost the money. Maybe in fact he didn't lose the money, but it was stolen, or you know, something like that, because of Sang-Woo, because Sang-Woo, he said something about the fact that he put a bet on futures, and he said to Ji-Hoon that it was not futures like stocks or stuff like that. Can it be possible that these futures, it was money from illegal stuff like making people cross the border and all, something right there. Sang-Woo is related to Ji-Hoon, they shared, you know, their childhood together and all, they are like brothers. And Ji-Hoon, he said a memory also about the fact that when his wife gave birth, during that moment, he saw someone dying into his taxi. Maybe that someone who died into his taxi is related to the grandpa. Really, I made all of these connections with them, but really it came to me between the episode 3 and 4, because during that gap I edited the 3 first episodes, and I had the impression that these memories that they said during these 3 first episodes, at first during the episode I thought that it was to build the characters, you know, to make us understand them more, but rewatching it, editing the videos, I was like, maybe in fact I have to pay more attention to it, and maybe in fact it's making a connection between all of them. That's another my theory. And the new theory that I had between episode 4 and 5 is the fact that I have this theory about the masked guys being forced to be there, and we know that already, for a money reason or a blackmailing situation. Right there, this masked guys team, you know, just a few of them, They are taking bodies of people, you know, to take parts of it to sell them, which is weird because it means that they know someone out. You know, they can make contacts with people out of this place to sell them these parts of bodies and make money. And they needed one of the candidates as a pair of hands to help, like if you help us, we help you, which means for me that they are a part of this game, in fact, of this big game which is the show, that they are a part of these experiences, and that's why also they can die just like that if they are not respecting their rules. And thinking of that, so that it's all of my series that I have for now. The series that I had between episodes, you know, I was thinking why we would have a big experience like that with people being candidates for these games, you know, and having money, and these people being the ones, you know, in control of it, but not really, because they are also candidates, but to something else that I don't know for now. And I was like, why there is a difference between them? Maybe the difference between them is, you know, during the first game with the guy into the metro, Ji-hoon, he had to choose between the red and the blue envelopes. Okay. If you're choosing the red one, you're part of the masked guys. If you're choosing the blue one, you're part of the candidates. Maybe it's just an homage, you know, to Matrix, that scene, that choice that he had to make. Or maybe there is something like that, because, you know, the masked guys, they have a costume in red, the candidates, they have a costume in blue, green, you know. Maybe I'm going too far with this series, but if you are following, you know, me with all of that, you know, with the fact that this is a big experience, with all of them participating to it, the candidates, also the masked guys, why this difference? Maybe because of the envelopes, or maybe because some are winning a big prize money and some are being blackmailed, but it doesn't explain, you know, the fact that into this group, the masked guys, some of them are supervisors and some others are not. And I have still that little weird, really weird and maybe so stupid theory that at the end, if you win the game, you are becoming one of the masked guys. Join me into my swimming pool of theories. Join me into it. Really, we are having fun into it. At least me, I have a lot of fun into that swimming pool. Like really, how many catfishes do I have into that swimming pool? Grandpa, for sure grandpa. The game that they played during the last episode, I'm sure that we won it because of the fact that grandpa gave us the solution. He can't remember his name, but he can remember the strategy for that game. And also because of that strategy that Sang-woo he had at the end, which made me think, but I forgot to say it during the review, that he is the real leader, you know, of this group, at least for the head things, you know, for the strategic things. When they put Ji-hoon at the beginning, you know, as their leader, which is the case, but it's more an art leader, you know, because they all appreciate him and he's the one who is making them together, you know, as a team. In a way, he created that team by building links with all of them, relationships. Okay, I think that's, yes, it's enough for this intro. Like usually, you have my Patreon on which you can have the episodes earlier during the day and with an extended or a full reaction part. Check the description to know that. The extended reaction part, it was between 6 and 10 minutes longer, which is a lot, and with a longer time of screen right there. Let's go for this episode 5. I'm thinking, you know, with my theory of the fact that we're gonna lose one of them before the end, because we need 4 of them for that final game, if I'm right about that final game. Are we gonna lose that person, you know? Right there, episode 5, we have 9 episodes. Maybe not, maybe we're gonna lose that person during episode 7 or 8, just before the end. But no matter what, at the end of this game, we're gonna have only 40 candidates. It's really... For 3 more games to play, it's not a lot. Let's go for this episode 5. So excited. Really, this show is making me so excited. Do it because it's gonna surprise them, it's gonna make a bad balance for them, it's gonna surprise them. Let me see. Yes, you were right. Now, you took them by surprise and they are on the floor. One of them even lost his or her shoes. Go, 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 guys. Yes, you're gonna kill them. June, he knows that. You know, he saw that. He's enjoying it, Grandpa! I know it's bad for me to suspect him, but come on. The 2 first games, it was the masked guys killing them. The Bloody Night and this game, they killed each other. For the symbolic of it, it's interesting, I think, this evolution. Yes, I'm making more series.
지금 누구한테 있는 거야? 주님?
He's God, let him pray. Let him find comfort where he wants.
당신이 지금 살아서 혀를 밀고 있는 건 저 할아버지랑 막판에 기가 막힌 장면이고.
He can do both.
우리는 그들의 희생과 피로 또 하루를 살아남았다. 주의 마음은 우리 모두를 대신하여
Also,
희생과 기도를 올리는 것이다.
come on, you chose to be there. You're not better than them.
그다음부터 뒤에는 내 새끼들도 막 얘기한다.
Surprise, motherfucker! They're still alive! And she's gonna have her revenge. You don't want to make a lady like a mud. Not the one that he marked, you know.
그냥 어릴 때 말이야.
영화 보고 따라오지. 그 영화 뭐야 그거? 그치나? 이렇게 얘기하는 거.
I just talked about Matrix because of the blue and the red envelopes.
앞으로 딱 3발만 간 거. 뭐야 완전 멋진 표정. 너 무슨 개소리야?
Annoying.
미쳤어. 개소리 하지 마.
I love you so much, my baby.
비자했어? 너 불법 체류지? 야,
여기는 그런 거 없어요. 그냥 다 똑같아.
평등사회. 씨발. 어떤 영화?
She almost sang it, you know.
왕인 것처럼 아주 지맘대로. 30분 후에 전화하겠습니다.
미리 대비를 합시다. 어떻게? 이 여자들이랑 노인네께서 어차피 이 중에서 우리 제일 약한데.
You're new on the team, so careful.
주님을 오시는 분이.
Or do your thing on your own. You're building yourselves like a cell. Kind of.
근데 뭐 이따가 싸는다고 괜찮겠어? 바람이 숭숭 셀 것 같은데. 내 팀이라는 저 쓰레기 같은 인간들을 정말 믿는 거야?
Are you sure of them? Couldn't be the first time that one of your guys is betraying you.
기회 가서 너부터 죽일 거야. 어디부터 조직하나? 좀 쉬자. 뭐야? 한번 좀 족수를 줄여놔야. 그냥 쉬자고. 한 명은 잠이 들 수도 있고 혼자 다른 편에 붙어서 우리를 배신할 수도 있어. 내가 먼저 할게요. 나도 같이 할게요. 나 지금 안 졸려. 그 다음은 내가 해. 그럼 나도 자네랑 같이 하겠네. 네, 그렇게 하시죠.
You know my series about them being connected and Grandpa would be connected to Ji-hoon. They are there because of the red envelopes, or they are the former winners, or blackmail.
사장님 주려 오늘 사장님 덕분에 살았습니다. 감사하고 싶었습니다. 내가 살자고 한 일이야. 사장님 자비도 좋습니다.
네.
됐지? 딸리는 33살입니다. 그럼 그냥 형이라고 해.
Not the first time that you're asking.
애가 있어? 몇 살인데? 1살 아들입니다. 보고 싶겠네. 네. 형은 왜 왔습니까?
I'm not gonna cry.
왜? 돈 없어서. 돈 벌러.
You're all there for money reasons.
이신권 어제 어떻게 된 거야? 왜 안 왔어? 왜요? 병정들이 너무 믿겠다고 없애자는 거 내가 막았어. 지나간 잠수 때 내 목숨 구해준 거 그거 아픈 거다.
During the last dive, what is dive?
29번 이제야 나타나셨구만. 이 안에서 우리 같은 잠수를 구하는 게 쉬운 줄 알아? 오늘 그냥 실수하지 마.
Dive, divers. What is dive?
주법이 넘는 감정이 한번 해봐.
Dive. Yes, you needed an extra pair of hands, but also a doctor. Your turn.
뭐안 좋은 꿈이라도 꾼거 같은데.
Can you really blame him into this place?
그렇게 자신 있으면 네가 직접 받아봐. 의료사고로 사람까지 죽인 돌팔이 놈이 아직도 자존심만 살아구만.
Who killed his own patient?
바이아한테 쌍둥이 먹었어. 그땐 니들이 죽지도 않은 인간을 수수께 위험해놨잖아. 그렇게 나서 발버둥 치는 바람에 다 먹는 거.
Fireworks? Who got fireworks? You're dreaming. You're dreaming or it's memory? It's policeman? Well,
예전에 다들 회사에서 파업을 했어요. 이렇게 바리케이드를 쳐놓고 무슨 회사에 다녔는데 자동차 회사 파업은 왜 회사가 어렵다고 다 나가라잖아. 애는 곧 태어나고 돈 들어갈 일은 쌓여있는.
can it be the company where Ali worked?
화도 나고 그때 뉴스에도 크게 났었던 것 같은데 거기서
Which one?
사람이 죽었지 않아? 내가
The guy into your memory, okay.
괜찮으세요? 시체인 줄 알았던 게 갑자기 좀비처럼 벌떡 일어나서 한쪽 눈알이 튀어나온 상태로 날 물어보는데 콩팥이 하나뿐이라 돈도 제대로 못 받았잖아. 그 좀비가 콩팥이 하나뿐인 게 내 탓이야? 이놈 장기는
One
어디서
can
한 거지?
Can it be your brother? Maybe?
내가 급한 대로 저를 때려 죽였지. 근데 그런 건 왜 물어봐? 너도 다 봤으면서. 너 뭐야? 정신이 없어서. 정신이 없어? 네 손으로 시체까지 깨끗이 지워놓고서 너 여긴 내 수술실이야! 제발 잡소리 치고 이걸 제대로 잡아!
And he needs to sleep also. Friend?
좀 쉬세요.
I really want to believe into you, Grandpa,
또 같이
but I
게임을
have
해야죠.
trouble.
고맙다. 물. 그냥 좀 아니야.
Hmm?
내일 물 받으러 가.
Everyone can be useful at some point. You don't know when.
다음 게임은 뭐야? 우리도 아직 몰라. 무슨 소리야? 지금 당장 알아야. 돌아가서 기다려. 게임 자료는 알려줄 테니까. 저렇게 소리하지 마.
Don't. You need them as much as they need you. I don't like him, but be clever, on va dire.